Yes. What does this mean to you? What does it tell you in your brain? What do you understand into this? Is for the youth, I'm just explaining to you that there is no anywhere you can get the free money. Let me tell you one thing, you people. What I want you to understand is that all in all, if people want to work, if people want money, you have to work hard. You people, this is like, let's say, it's a free money, but you also need to involve in time. You also have to give in your little time. But you should invest in power. Use your power. If you're youth, put in your power in things that can help you. Most of the youth that you see which are failing, they have tried to do a lot of things from whichever business they do. But because they invest in wrong businesses that doesn't have a plan B, that's why they are failing. But if you put the right money in the right position, you can always have the money. So what I'm doing right now, it's not because I don't have what to do, but this is my project. Even if you give me a business, it is your business, but you are using me to produce for you. You make your profit and as well give me. What do I do with that profit that you give me is to invest it also here. So when I invest it here, I reproduce whatever you see I'm carrying, whatever you see I'm irrigating. I'm trying to produce what they call the grasses, and those are the muscles that I'm supposed to get money with. This is my piece of advice today to the youth. We can do better than anybody because we are still young and we have the power. Why don't we get involved into this? You get touch or you get hands-on to do your own business into farming. Farming is an open business for all of us that can make money. For all of us, because there is no any day we shall find and that day we will not eat meat. Or if you don't eat it, somebody else will be yearning for it. This is food and this is how we process. You people, whatever you see here, we are trying to prepare for the muscle. We are preparing for meat, and that meat we prepare, that's what will give us the money. So you people, this is my piece of advice for the youth. When you have time, instead of planting things that you're not sure of, instead of planting things that are perishable, today they are on, tomorrow there is no market, plant these kind of pastures, feed them to the animals, or sell them to those people who have the animals. Somebody might want to produce the meat, but it doesn't have the land. You have access to the land. You can hire the land. This is just 2 months plan, and this is what we are harvesting. You people, we can make dollars. This is a lot of source of dollars. So me, I'm here for my today, and I'm going to produce my goat's meat. How? By making this into silage, then animals convert it into the dollars. So, you people, I want you to understand this. We can use this kind of skills. We plant our own grasses, we harvest it, then we convert it into muscle, as long as you can have the animal. So think about whichever business you are thinking about, whichever work you have. It's a source of capital. Have your capital, then invest it in things that can give you the money. So me, I'm harvesting, sorry, then I'm going to put it in another process called the silage. So from silage, it will be converted into muscles by the animal. Then I will have my money on me. So that is how. So yes, think about having villages, think about going to the villages. Even if you have your work somewhere, use your free time into farming. Let me just wish you the best. Bye. This is how much these guys really enjoy the sugar graze. This is how they are enjoying the sugar graze silage.